Hello dear nail friends. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Saviland Acrylic Powder Nail Kit. This is the glow in the dark, and Saviland also was nice enough to send me an acrylic brush. So I love their packaging, I love the coloring, it's just so vibrant, it's just so happy and fun. And then I pull out these little cute acrylics. Look how they're little, but they're so freaking adorable. And yeah, I was excited to try this, but wait till you guys see this brush. I mean, look at that sparkle, and I love how it's like a rose gold. And it's their size 14, which I really do like working with the size 14 brushes. I have a couple 10s, 12s, 14, 18, and 20. So here I am just prepping the brush, just trying to get some of that glue or whatever that is that they put on there, that covering, and then I'm going to put it in some monomer and get it ready for use. So here we are with the first acrylic that I'm going to swatch, and the colors are they're just gorgeous. In my experience working with different acrylic brands, you know, from high end to low end, I have to say that I was really impressed with this particular one. Not only did I expect it to be chalky, only because, you know, usually your glow in the dark acrylics, your highly pigmented acrylics will have that. I just was really blown away by the blendability and how it didn't stick on the brush too bad. It did a little bit, but not like with some other acrylics that I have used. So yeah, I definitely recommend this, and wait till you see how blendable it is when I do the swatch sticks. And you cannot beat the price point for what, $17.99. You get these little glow in the dark acrylics that truly do glow in the dark. So I highly recommend these. I really, again, was really impressed. Especially if you're just starting out in the nail business and you want to try a few glow in the dark acrylics. I'm telling you, you cannot beat this. I mean, you get so many and they're adorable. And the brush was really easy to work with, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I will include the links in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.